Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for subscribing the course. See, this chapter is focused on the core element of starting a successful business. Have you ever wondered that how some companies are achieving such a great level while knowing the fact that 96% of the startups fail in first year and less than 1% startups succeed in 5 years? Well, those points we will discuss in the coming videos. Here in this chapter we are going to focus on core element of starting a successful business. So this core element I have discovered by analyzing all the successful great enterprises. I mean, most of the great enterprises are present. I did the research on the manufacturing company called Ford, how they got started, and then I went into the General Electric, how they got started, and then I researched on the Google, Facebook, Apple, and many other companies. And after researching all that, I concluded 4 points which was common when they started their business. And then I look into my own business initiatives, because as you may know, I have started 8 different businesses, but 6 out of 8 failed. So I had to look into what was the common between my success and the success of other entrepreneurs. And I realized that if you can master these core element of starting a successful business, this can completely change your perspective, the way you see entrepreneurship. You can literally start any kind of business if you can master these 4 elements. So in this chapter we will start with the title called Success Leaves Clues. There we will talk about how the great enterprises leave some clues for us to proceed our business initiative. And then we will talk about the great entrepreneurs are present, that how they never been in the trap of a bling theory of modern time, which has been taught in a different incubators and the business school. They were practical, and many of them they didn't have the modern theories. They didn't pass MBA, or they didn't even graduate, many of them. Some of them not even a 10th grade. But they are able to build a successful business. So we are going to talk about those great entrepreneurs, followed with I will introduce you 4 core elements of starting a successful business. And those 4 elements will help you. Will help you to understand throughout the course step by step. And then we will talk about what exactly you need to implement that 4 core elements. So, and finally we will conclude the chapter with the conclusion. So thank you so much for your attention. See you in the next video.